Now, environment is nothing but instance of force.com. Environment is nothing but instance of force.com. I repeat, environment is nothing but instance of force.com. So let me give you here. When I said environment, we had a infrastructure and the corresponding on the top of it, whatever the application you have purchased from the Salesforce. This is the environment, your application. Environment is nothing but instance of force.com. Now, environments in the Salesforce are classified into three types. One is production environment, developers environment, testing environment. Because it's a cloud, we need to understand how the production will be on the cloud, how the development environment is going to be on the cloud, how the testing environment will be on the cloud. So environment is nothing but instance of force.com. Right? If you stop writing the notes, you'll understand the concept. If you are busy in writing the notes, neither you follow class nor you follow your notes. Nobody will publish your notes. Right? Neither you understand what you have written in the notes. So when I'm giving the notes, you can take it. Just concentrate class. If you are not listening to my conversation, you are busy in writing the notes. Now you will not be following what I'm trying to explain, and your notes is not going to help you. If you can follow everything with the notes, no need to come to the class. Open the Google, a lot of good materials are available. Right. So you spend your time in listening to conversation. When it is necessary, I'll give the notes. Okay. Anyway, whatever I'm going to type, I'm going to give you hard copies. Right, boss? Listen now. So, what is this environment? Environment is nothing but instance of a force.com. Environments are classified into three types: developers environment, testers environment, and production environment. Now, what is your production? Now, let us say from Salesforce organization, I purchased an application. I told I require a sales cloud application. So already this application is developed, right? Salesforce people already developed an application, and that application I am taking on the rental basis. Now, when I am using this application, whatever the data I am entering, that data will be stored to this. Now, what is the difference that you find between production and other environment? Let us take it. Now, I am using this application. Whatever the data I am entering, that is saved on the production. Now, I have purchased an application from Salesforce. They give me an environment with application. My employees are logging into this application, entering the data, using the application. So, whatever the data I am entering, that is saved on this environment. Suppose if I want to add any extra buttons in the application, I want to add one extra button. What should I do? I have to ask my developer to write extra program, add a button. So, will the developer write the program on the live environment? No. What I will do? Whatever the application I have, copy of this application. I'm going to create a copy of this application, give to IBM. So, the developers from IBM will log into this, make the necessary changes on this application. If everything is working fine, then they deploy this to production. Now, what is the difference between this copy and this copy? If you look at this, same platform, same application, same option. But what is difference? Whatever the customer data is there, the data will not be available here. whatever my business data is there, that business data will not be available here. So this is having my business data. That's why it is called my live production. Environment where live data is stored. Environment where your live data is stored or your business data is stored is called production environment. Now, to make it easy for the freshers, the people who are freshers, for you, to make it easy, let me explain this simple way. Now, let us say IBM people are there. ICICI Bank gave a contract to IBM to develop a banking application. Now, what happened? IBM has some developers. These developers developed an application called banking application. And once the application is ready, they gave this application to ICICI Bank. Who developed this application? IBM. They have entire programs, all the pages, programs, tables they have. When they gave to ICICI, what the ICICI Bank has done? Now, ICICI Bank has its own server and it has installed this application on this server. Now, this server, they made it live. Live means all the employees of ICICI Bank will log into this application, start entering the data, start using the application. Now, when employees are logging in here, when they are entering the data, where is the data stored? The data is stored in this environment. Now, IBM also have the same application. ICICI also have the same application. Who developed these? IBM people. So, entire code is with them. All the pages are with them. Then, when they gave it to ICICI Bank, the code will be there, pages will be there, along with that, whatever the live data. Now, when they are using for banking purpose, customer data, who has taken the loan, who has deposited the money, withdrawn, that complete data will be with this environment. So, this environment has what? Application along with live data, your business data, which is called production environment. So, the copy which is available with IBM, what they have? They have only a copy of code, but they don't have live business data. A simple example, you purchased a mobile phone. When you purchased a mobile phone, what they give? In the mobile phone, they developed an application. Everything they developed and gave to you. So whatever the software that is running on the mobile is also